Is your Bluetooth driver missing in Windows 11? Then you are at the right place, as here is how to fix the issue. Let's get started. This is the Windows Club. If your Bluetooth driver is missing, you may be unable to connect to wireless headphones, mice, keyboards, and other essential peripherals. This frustrating issue often manifests as a complete absence of the Bluetooth toggle in settings, a grayed out icon in the system tray, or the Bluetooth category missing entirely from Device Manager. In this video, we will show you how to resolve this issue and restore your Bluetooth driver. We will also consider a scenario where the driver goes missing after a Windows update. Let's get started. Method 1. Run the automated Bluetooth Troubleshooter and toggle airplane mode. The automated troubleshooter scans for and repairs configuration errors, service stoppages, or driver corruption, while toggling airplane mode off and on acts as a soft reset for the Bluetooth radio hardware. This combined action can clean temporary glitches that cause Windows to incorrectly report the driver as missing. To run the troubleshooter, open the Get Help app, search for Bluetooth Troubleshooter or Troubleshoot Bluetooth, and follow the on-screen instructions to run the troubleshooter. Now open Quick Settings by pressing Win+A and click on Airplane Mode. Now disable Airplane Mode and see if that helps. Method 2. Add the legacy driver from the Device Manager. We need to bypass Windows' automatic detection process, which might be malfunctioning. The Add Legacy Hardware wizard prompts the system to scan its built-in driver repository for standard Bluetooth hardware. Follow the steps below to do the same. Open the Device Manager, select your device name. Now, go to the Action tab and click on Add Legacy Hardware. Click on Next. Select Search for and install the hardware automatically and click Next. Click on Next. Go to Common Hardware Types and select Bluetooth. If it's absent, click on Network Adapter, then select Next. Now, from the Intel tab, select a Bluetooth adapter and confirm it. Finally, reboot your computer. Method 3. Install the correct driver from your manufacturer. We need to install a custom driver for your hardware's firmware and chipset. This driver is provided by the manufacturer and ensures that components work together correctly. Installing this driver will repair any missing or damaged system files using the correct software. By doing this, we can solve the problem of Windows not recognizing the Bluetooth adapter. For PC or laptop owners, visit your computer manufacturer's official support website. Enter your exact model number to find and download the latest Bluetooth driver package for Windows 11. For custom builds, motherboard owners, identify your motherboard or Wi-Fi or Bluetooth card model. Visit the manufacturer's website to download the driver. The Intel support page is a common source for many internal cards. Run the download.exe file. For other file types, use Device Manager's update driver, then browse My Computer for drivers to navigate to the downloaded folder. Method 4. Restart Bluetooth Support Service. Restarting the service forces the system to reinitialize the critical software layer that allows Windows to communicate with the Bluetooth driver. If the service has stalled or encountered an error, the driver may be present but functionally invisible to the operating system. A restart clears the state and reloads the process required to detect and activate the installed hardware driver. Open Services.msc from Run, look for Bluetooth Support Service, right-click on it and select Restart. Finally, check if your issue is resolved. Method 5. Check the physical hardware. If your desktop PC has an internal Wi-Fi and Bluetooth card and the driver is missing, it may be due to a hardware connection issue. This card connects to the motherboard with a small USB cable. If this cable is loose or not connected, Windows will not recognize the Bluetooth radio. To fix this, turn off your PC, open the case, and make sure the cable is securely connected at both ends. So that's it. Subscribe to the Windows Club for all your tech solutions related to Windows. Thanks for watching.